In today's video, I'm going to quickly show you how to reset your iCloud password in here if you actually forgot it. You may be in a situation where you forgot your iCloud password and you're trying to regain access by seeing the existing password or simply by changing it into a brand new password. I'm going to help you doing that in this video, which is quite simple and easy, especially if you're trying to download, for example, a specific application in App Store in here and you're unable to do so because you may be having the need to enter your iCloud password. I'm going to show you how to fix it in this video. Now, if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing as it really helps me out. Now, jumping straight into the very first step in here is to actually search for Passwords app. We now have an app known as Passwords in here. So I want you to hop into that specific app. You then need to position your Face ID to unlock or your password, okay? Next up, you'll be brought to this screen which says all codes, security, Wi-Fi, deleted passkeys and stuff like that. What you're gonna do is you wanna tap on search and then you wanna search for iCloud. And then if you find iCloud in here, you wanna hop into one of those actually options that you do have and see if you do have your iCloud password. For example, let me hop into this one. And then in here, you'll be able to see password. Now, the next thing you wanna do is tap once on password. It's gonna ask you for your Face ID, Touch ID, or your phone's password in order to reveal that specific password. So it's going to reveal it and then you want to see your iCloud password. Now, you may be in a situation where you're unable to actually find anything that you've signed in with your iCloud account. If you're unable to do so, you need to actually reset your iCloud password, and that you can only do by hopping into your internet browser and going straight into this website, which is iforgot, okay, that's how you type it, .apple.com, and then tap on OK, and you'll be brought straight into this website in here which says, hey, Apple account forgotten password. Verify your account information to reset your password. Do not worry, this is an official Apple website in here. All you need to do is simply tap on reset password real quick, and then you'll be brought to this screen in here which says reset password. Next up, you need to select whether you want to reset your own password or help someone else. I would recommend you tapping on reset my password if the iCloud is logged in into this device. That's going to be a much easier way. For example, if it's logged in, just tap on reset my password and then you'll be brought to a screen in here which will ask you to type in your mobile phone's passcode. Okay, so you need to actually type in your passcode. Next up, after typing your passcode, it's going to verify and then it's going to ask you to type in your new password and retype the password. Quite an easy process in here, and that's how it goes. Okay, now if you are not logged in into your device and you hop into reset password, you're going to need to tap on help someone else. Okay, so you're going to tap on help someone else and then it's going to ask you for the email or phone number associated to that specific iCloud or Apple account. So let me just quickly type it in here. And once you're done typing in, you want to tap on continue real quick. Now it's going to take you to an other screen where it's going to say, hey, we need you to confirm the phone number associated with that specific iCloud account. Okay, so it shows you the last 2 digits in here, which is the hint for you to remember that phone number. So you need to type in that specific trusted phone number. Once you're done, you're going to tap on continue and then you'll be brought to this screen in here, which will ask you to send a code to that specific number. Now you need to tap on send the code and then you need to receive that code to reinsert it. So you need to have actually that phone number nearby. Tap on send code. It's going to send you an OTP verification code. Next up, it's going to get into you by text message automatically. There we go, it has been verified, and now it asks me to verify my email address as well. So I'm gonna tap on send code one more time and I'm gonna receive an email from Apple with another verification code. We need to double check that. Just wait for a couple of seconds and that email will actually land in your inbox. Okay, let me just quickly open my Gmail account. Next up, once you're done inserting that email verification code, you're gonna be able to see in here an option which says new password and retype the password. So you need to type in the new password, retype it, tap on continue, and most importantly, do not forget to take a note of the password so you do not forget your password in the next time. So this is exactly how you actually reset your password here on your iPhone device by simply hopping into this website. And the coolest part is that you can actually access this website from any other device. You can access it, for example, from your MacBook, from your iPad, from an Android device, as long as you have internet connection and you do have in here an internet browser as well as that specific SIM card with you in order for you to receive that OTP verification code and access to your email as well to get that specific verification code. Now, this is how the email that gets into your inbox looks like. We've got in here Apple and verified. It's very important for you to double check that the sender of this is actually Apple. Otherwise, it won't work, okay? And then you do have the verification code in here sent to my email, and I just had to type in all that specific code in this sequence in order for me to be able to change my password related to my iCloud account. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and like the video. And if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comment section so I can get back to you as soon as possible. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.